just talked about all the good things that WireMold was doing, right? So obviously a lot of people sit there and go, well, that's great, that's them, that can't happen for us. But what about firms with more severe problems? The WireMold story is extraordinary. The firm has been transformed in a remarkable short time and now gives every prospect of growing rapidly into the industrial giant. What's more, we could repeat this story in a dozen other medium-sized firms we have discovered across the United States during the research for this book. WireMold was a greater challenge than Lantec, given the age and narrow skills of its workforce, the stagnation of its core market, and the entrenched us versus them mentality of old management and union. But it is still a fair test of lean thinking. After all, WireMold has only 1,400 employees, operates primarily in 2 neighboring countries, the United States and Canada, and has relatively simple product and process technologies. What about the aging industrial giants who present the most visible managerial challenges? What about the publicly traded mass production firm with tens of thousands of employees, global operations, complex technologies, housed in deep technical functions, and complex network of component and system suppliers? Can lean techniques produce the same results and in the same time frame? We now turn to Pratt Whitney, which is truly an acid test of lean thinking. So it's not just, it's just one example of many that have done it, but they're going to now give different examples of different manufacturers with different problems, because we always think our problems are unique, where they're not unique. It's the same problems. It's the same thing about cash flow. It's the same thing about inventory. Same thing about single piece flow. Same thing about defects. They're all the same. If it was easy, everybody would do it. It's not easy, but that's where we got to get to.